Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cloud computing is quickly replacing traditional computing. Just as computers, servers and sophisticated software replaced the more traditional office equipment, the cloud is replacing and streamlining today's offices.
Let's help you make your mark.
A cloud storage system can specialize in storing a particular type of data such as digital photos or music files, or can provide for general storage of any type of data such as photos, audio files, text documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. Cloud storage is believed to have been invented by computer scientist Drive.
Take our lead.
The correct answer to the question, which of the following is not a type of cloud, is option C. Protected. And all the other options denote a type of cloud, private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.